What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kentucky Vlogs. Today we've got an '01 Chevy Silverado 1500 that we're going to be working on. We're getting this thing ready to roll out in our new plan that we've got at our car lot. We're trying out buy here, pay here. We've so far only did cash sales, and so we're going to push out some buy here, pay here cars and get some payments coming into the car lot so that we've got profit on autopilot coming in every month, so we don't have to worry about covering the bills every month no more with a cash sale. It'll automatically be covered like it's on autopilot making money. So let's show you this vehicle right now. Before we jump to it, I paid $200 for this truck when I bought it. It needed a fuel pump, so it did not run, and I got a fuel pump for 50 bucks. So I'm $250 into this truck. It's a running truck now. And I've just got to fix it up a little bit more so that we can have some more money for this truck and make a good profit on it after they get done making all their payments on the truck. So let's jump in and show you this truck. Alright, so that's a look at the vehicle. Y'all seen this truck is pretty nasty. It needs cleaned up really bad. So we got our vacuum here, and we've got some Armor All from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to use this whole bottle on this truck. It's a work edition truck, so the floors in this truck are all rubber. So we're going to Armor All everything in here, and then see what it looks like after that. We're going to time-lapse this cleaning. Let me show you the vacuum real fast. So that's our big-ass vacuum right there, our green extension cord we got for power. And so that's the before on this truck. Let's show it one more. Before on this truck up close, you can see it's pretty nasty. Got a lot of shit in the floor. Got some stuff we need to take off the windows. So you've seen all of it now, so let's get to cleaning. Alright, we got everything vacuumed out. It's a lot cleaner in here now. It looks better already. So now we're gonna get everything shined up with the armor roll and get it wiped off. So let's get started on that now. We're gonna use a lot so it shines good. A lot of stuff just needs a good wipe down. Don't be shy with it. You want to get that real good shine. Alright, we've got everything armor on except for the floor, so we're going to get the floor and then we're going to have this thing done for now. And I'll show you an after shot of what it looks like now. Since this has rubber floors because of work edition, all of this will shine up really nice. And just put a good amount of armor roll on there to get to it. And then it will get rid of all of this dirt and make the rubber floor shine. Alright, that'll do it for the armor roll. And now let's give it a wipe. Wiping it down. Alright, so that's a look at the inside of the vehicle. I know it's a little bit dark on there because it started getting dark on us and it started raining and got nasty outside. So we're going to call it a day right there, but we will continue working on this thing, so there'll be more videos come out on this project truck we got. We hope to have this thing done within like 2 or 3 days. We got everything inside of it wiped down and we got it vacuumed out now. So there's just a little bit more to do on the inside. It's got the column shifter in there that's got to be changed out, or just a part on it changed. I'm not completely sure yet because it doesn't go all the way up into park, and that's supposed to be a common issue with the Chevys like that. So we're going to have to do something to that column shifter so that it can go into parking. You can take the key back out of it again. So we'll be fixing that on the truck, and also the whole truck itself on the outside has all been bed lined with the, I'm sure they had the spray bed liner and they did the whole truck on it. I'm not sure exactly why that was that they done that, but they done it to the whole vehicle. So I may or may not, I haven't decided if I want to sand down the whole outside of the truck and get me some paint and repaint this whole truck after I sand it down. I would probably paint the whole truck white like it is, like most of it is now, but it would be a shiny white instead of that bumpy bed liner that they put onto the truck. So comment down below and let me know if y'all think I should sand that down and repaint it to give it more value that way, because I know it would jump the retail price of this truck way up with a normal paint job on it instead of that bed liner. And that's one of the reasons why I got this truck as cheap as I did, because it had the bed liner on it. And like I said, this truck didn't run when I bought it, so it was needing a fuel pump on this truck, so I changed that out and it runs just fine now. I'm going to have to change out the spark plugs on this truck because it's got some misses on it, so that should smooth out the running of this truck. It's just a little bit of a rough idle when it first starts, so that should fix that. And then with a little bit of work, this truck will be a really good flip truck for me, and I'll make a good profit with it. And since I'm going to finance this truck, I should be no more than about $400, I would probably say, into this truck with my GPS included in that price, because I will have a GPS in these vehicles that I finance, so I'll know exactly where my truck is if they don't make a payment. So if they don't make a payment, I'll be coming looking for them, and I'll know where my truck is. But I should have no more than $400 into this truck, so I'll probably do $500 to $700 down on this truck. And right now I'm thinking I will do a full price of probably $2,000, and I might change my mind depending on how much I do to this truck and to how much value I give this truck from the work that I do to it. But as of right now, I'm probably going to do a $2,000 total on this truck with the $500 to $700 down on it. And then so they'll be making payments probably around $1,500 in payments. So I'll make me a good profit on this truck with a little bit of work and not a whole lot of work done to it. So y'all comment down below, let me know if I should sand this truck down and repaint it, and that would be a video I'll record for y'all to see me paint this truck. It would be my first truck I painted. But anyways, thank y'all for watching the channel like always. I hope that y'all subscribe to the channel down below, give the video a thumbs up, and hopefully y'all like the video and help us grow this channel. Until next time, we'll see y'all later.